Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 2nd June 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are spiritual guides. While looking after your homes and families, remain like a lotus flower and stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance and inspire others to do the same. Question: how does the Father decorate you children? Which decoration does he forbid you to use? Answer: Baba says, Sweet children, I have come to decorate you spiritually. You must never put on physical makeup. You are beggars and so you must have no interest in following fashion. This world is very bad and therefore do not indulge in any kind of fashion for your bodies. Song is: At last, the day for which we had been waiting has come. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become a true spiritual guide and show everyone the path home. While doing business for the livelihood of your body, stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance. Don't become tired of doing business and having interaction. Number 2. Decorate yourself with this knowledge and make yourself into an angel of heaven. Don't put on the physical makeup of this tamopradhan world. Renounce following ironized fashion. Blessing for today. May you keep a balance of being a child and a master, and move along in a yukt way, and become an embodiment of success. Details are: as much as possible, be a child in terms of doing service and a master in terms of making effort on your stage. Be a child while making connections and in doing service and a master on the pilgrimage of remembrance and in churning this knowledge. Be a child with your companions and in the gathering and a master as an individual. To move along while keeping this balance is to move along in a yukt way. By doing this, you will easily achieve success in every task, your stage will remain constant and stable, and you will easily be loved by all. Slogan is: when your thinking and acting are equal, you will be said to be a powerful soul with willpower. Avyakt signal. To remain constantly cheerful, be easy-natured and tolerant. The virtue of remaining cheerful can help you a lot in your efforts. Just as your face remains cheerful, in the same way, also keep your soul cheerful. Let this natural virtue be inculcated in the soul. If you remain constantly cheerful, no attraction of Maya will be able to attract you. This is the Father's guarantee. However, in order to remain constantly cheerful, maintain your spiritual honor, be tolerant and watch the games of Maya as a detached observer. Om Shanti.